Are your Jira tasks all looking the same, making it a nightmare to find anything? Learn how to add custom covers in 2 minutes. Here is what we are going to do. We will open a task, access the cover menu, and choose from solid colors, gradients, Unsplash, or even your own uploads. So let us jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open your Jira account. Just log in like you normally would. Now, on the left side panel, find and open the Jira project you want to work with. Just click on it to pull up your task list. All right, now click on any task that you want to add a cover to. This could be a high priority bug, a new feature you are working on, or just a task you want to stand out. As soon as you click on that task, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. And here is the important part. Look at the very top right corner of that panel. You will see 3 little dots. Click on those 3 dots. A small menu will drop down. From that menu, you want to click on the option that says Select Cover. This is the gateway to making your task look completely different. And this is where the fun really begins. A new window will pop up giving you several choices. You can pick from solid colors, which are great for a clean, minimalist look. Or you can go with gradients for something a little more dynamic. There is also an option to browse images from Unsplash, which gives you access to a huge library of professional photos. I have tested all of these myself, and they instantly make your project board feel more organized and personal. Now, let me show you something really useful. You are not limited to what Jira offers. You can also upload an image of your own to use as the cover. This is perfect for using your company logo, a screenshot, or any other image that helps you identify the task at a glance. To do that, just click the Upload button right there in that window. When you click Upload, it will ask you to select an image to upload. Go ahead and click on that. Now, your Computer or File Explorer window will open. This might take a moment to process, depending on how many files you have. Navigate through your folders, find the image you want to use, and select it. It is really that simple. And that is it. In just a couple of minutes, you have transformed a plain, hard-to-scan task into something with a custom visual identity. Now, when you look at your project board, you will be able to spot your most important tasks instantly. It makes a huge difference in keeping your workflow efficient and your projects immediately recognizable.